Let's get you a breaking update that is now coming in, and this is from the state of Maharashtra, coming across as a setback to at least the Congress party there, because their own leader has now written a letter to the party president Mallikarjun Kharge, and Naseem Khan that we are talking about, because he has thanked Mallikarjun Kharge for naming him in the list of star campaigners for the fourth phase of general elections in Maharashtra. However, he has been raising the issue that not even a single Muslim candidate in Maharashtra has been given a ticket. And however, he's been saying that many Muslim organizations and leaders and party workers all over the state of Maharashtra was expecting at least one leader from the Congress to either nominate, but unfortunately that has not happened. Ankit, what is the backstory here?
So Naseem Khan writes the backstory. He says to Kharge, I would like to thank you for enlisting my name in the list of star campaigners for the fourth phase of general elections in Maharashtra. I would like to inform you that I will not be campaigning for the party candidates in Maharashtra for the third, fourth, fifth phase because of these reasons. Number one, from the total of 48 Lok Sabha seats in Maharashtra, MVA has not nominated a single Muslim candidate. Many Muslim organizations, leaders and also party workers from all over Maharashtra were not expecting Congress, or were expecting Congress rather, to at least nominate one candidate, but unfortunately the Congress has not nominated a single Muslim candidate. Now those people are asking Congress ko Muslim vote chahiye, candidate kyun nahi? Similarly, if you look, Abu Azmi, SP leader, has chimed in and he reveals a little bit more. He says, it is disheartening to note that the MVA did not nominate any Muslim candidates out of the 48 Lok Sabha seats in Maharashtra. Naseem Khan, a former minister of the Congress, was also denied a ticket from the North Central Mumbai Lok Sabha seat, after which he resigned. Despite previously passing reservations, the Congress did not advocate for Muslim reservation during the recent 2.5-year MVA tenure. Although the Samajwadi Party requested one seat in Maharashtra, the INC rejected the demand, citing insufficient stake in the state. So between these two, you get a sense of what's happening. Varsha Raut has instead been fielded from the seat, and the MVA has not named a single Muslim candidate.
Well, that's the point that he's been raising, and of course also to point out that what he said, that he's also resigning from the campaign committee of Maharashtra Lok Sabha election 2024, because he says in his letter, and of course that has also been seconded and echoed by Samajwadi Party's Abu Azmi, saying that Naseem has been denied a ticket, rather according to sources that he wanted to contest from the Mumbai NC seat, but that did not happen. Probably that could be the backstory here, but now what is being suggested, Rakesh, because there are several angles that are now attached to it. What is Naseem Khan trying to say? What is the story behind it, and what he's written in that letter to party president Mallikarjun Kharge?
Oh, well, definitely I would like to tell you one anecdote, that when I met Naseem Khan last time, and when I asked him that why the Congress party is on the back foot and why are you compromising only on the 17th seat and being on the number 2 in the MVA alliance. And that time Naseem Khan says that it is not about the seat, it is not about the seat sharing, it is all about the winning against BJP. So Congress party is trying hard to win against the BJP. If that is the strategy of the Congress party or the party high command, definitely they must have considered about allocating the tickets to their candidate. If that is the case, then why Naseem Khan is expressing his anger, or he's unhappy with the seat sharing issue? That is beyond the understanding of a common man. But what we are learning from our sources is that Arif Naseem Khan has resigned not only from the campaign star list, but he has also resigned from the 3 different party committees, expressing dejection over the party not nominating a single Muslim candidate on 48 Lok Sabha seats in the Maharashtra. But what we are also learning is the timing of his letter, because the north seat of the Mumbai...
Well, is it over a denial of ticket, or is it over a denial of ticket to any Muslim candidate? The issue that is now being raised by a Congress leader writing his letter and raising his concern to Mallikarjun Kharge. Thank you.